We have a Toyota Tacoma with a Yakima Overhaul HD truck bed rack installed. We also have the Retractable Pro MX heavy duty aluminum retractable cover. This rack is fully adjustable. It has the sidebars on the side there for more accessories. We also have this undercover armor flex installed on this GMC Canyon. Lower your tailgate, flip the cover up in a few seconds, get your full bed access. So if you have a shorter bed on your truck, you don't want to lose any bed space with a canister, this one's a great cover because you can buckle it here and drive with it open. You can flip it up all the way, go up down the road like this. There's these prop rods on both sides so you can hold the cover up. Each time you fold the cover, it locks on the rail system. It's very secure. So hard folding covers are very popular for people that want security, style, nice low profile look. This is the Retractable Pro with the Yakima truck bed rack. Visit truckaccessplus.com if you're looking for a truck bed cover for your pickup.